After you have installed Photoshop, you can launch the program. So this is the opening page. So you can click on this create new. So you will be shown this page with lot of options. Photoshop already has saved different templates which you can choose. So let's start with this photo and this default size and just hit on create. So now this is the interface of Photoshop. So let's take a look at the different windows here. So these are the different windows. So you can click on this and it will open the different options. If you want, you can drag and put this outside and it will open in a separate window. You can collapse these icons. There is also a flyout menu for each of these windows. If you want to put it back, you can just drag and drop this back. So if you have made many changes like this, you can configure this interface in whichever way you want. And you can save this to a new workspace here. You can click on this new workspace and save this, give a name and save that workspace. If you want to reset this to the initial layout, you can click on reset essentials. And now it's reset to the original. Now to open files, you can go to file, new. Then again, you'll be taken to this templates. So you can choose any of this again. So let's choose this. Now you have two documents open. You can also drag and drop a file. You can also click on open and select your image and it will directly open on Photoshop. You can also do the same thing by going to this window, open your folder and you can just drag and drop this onto this bar and it will be open as a new image. To navigate between the files, you can hit Control tab or Command tab. To move between the different images. If you want to put this image into this one, you can simply drag and drop that into this. So you can select this one and simply drag and drop this into this one. And now you have dropped this image into the other image.